Hey guys, welcome to Friday's Assembly. We've had great fun looking through teams and seeing what you've been up to. And here's a great selection for you this week. Right, we're going to start in reception, where Louise read a story and had a visit from a tiger. And it inspired lots of creative work. We've got Tiger Rose's collage of a tiger face. Must have taken ages, Tiger Rose, to cut up all those bits of paper. We have Orla, who worked with her sister to colour this amazing tiger. Love the expression, Orla. Caleb got dressed up, made a mask. Really good work, guys. Leo was really busy with his numbers and practicing writing them. Well done, Leo. And Mihal was writing lots of lists, so he has been inspired by the phonic work that you've been doing. That's great, Mihal, well done. And Leah, she's been working outside and she's created this amazing den. You found loads of sticks to build that. That's brilliant. Jake has been helping his mum in the kitchen, or dad I should say, and he made a bolognese. Look at the concentration on his face. It's great chopping, Jake. I bet it tasted fantastic. And Erno has made a science experiment. You'll have to tell your friends, Erno, what you used to make that explode. And Skylar set up his own library. So he's swapping books with friends, safely, I might add. And he's got little library tickets that he's made. So lots of wonderful things happening in reception this week. If your work hasn't been shown, don't worry, it may come up next week. Right, let's find out what's been happening in year 1. So they've been continuing their learning about Jack and the Beanstalk, and there's been amazing 3D models made of beanstalks. We've got Neve with hers. And we've got Dylan, who's made his beanstalk and also done some wonderful writing about it. We have Mihal, who has made an amazing castle, and you can just see the beanstalk there as well. That's fantastic, Mihal. You have Billy and Milo, who are actually growing their own plant. I don't think it's a beanstalk plant, it's a radish plant, but they can just see the little shoot. Well done, boys. Seb has made a picture of Jack. And Ava has designed her own fruit salad, so thinking about healthy eating. Looks great, Ava. Alex has got a picture of his giant. And Jonathan has been working really hard on his maths, using Lego to share. And B wrote a diary extract all about what it was like being in lockdown. And that would be a really good record for years to come, B. So well done. Thanks, year 1. A busy week. So let's find out what's been happening in year 2. They've been continuing their learning about castles, knights and dragons. And here's Isla with her castle. Children have also been creating their own shields and looking at the designs of what the different symbols meant. And we've got Amelia with hers. And Reuben, and he did a bit of research about the Nicholson clan, and he found out that they had suns on their shields, and he's included them in his design. We have Emma with her coat of arms. And here's Philip with his. And Poppy RJ with hers. Well done, guys. They've also been finding out about knights, and Harrison labelled all the different parts of his. Good labelling, Harrison. And we have Ralph. He's been doing some cooking too. They look delicious, Ralph. Bet they tasted good. Riley has been on a flower walk and he's written about them and labelled what he has seen. That looks really great note making and presentation of it, Riley. And that leads me really nicely into the video that's going to be showing in a moment that Jan has done when he went on his walk. Jan is telling us all about trees and plants that he can see. And he mentions some that you can taste. But we must remember that we don't eat anything that we see outside unless our grown-up has said that it's okay. So enjoy Jan's video and then remember at the end to join in with our song, It's a Lovely Day in Springtime. Enjoy the singing, guys, and look forward to next Friday's assembly. Bye!
This is a birch tree. You can recognize it by its white bark. Also, you can recognize it by its leaves. And you can drink the juice from it that is very healthy. These beautiful daisies, those beautiful flowers are daisies. You can recognize them by the white petals. They close when it's starting to be dark. This is a cherry tree. You can recognize it by its leaves. I guess that they're sweet. These are dandelions. You can recognize them by the yellow petals. This is wild garlic. You can recognize it by its white flowers and garlicky smell. You can make pancakes and omelettes out of it. It is similar to onions. Stay healthy, St. Saviours.
It's a beautiful day in springtime. It's a whistle, a tune and sing time. It's a breezy